In this video, I'm going to be revealing an investment method that I've used and I am still using to compound wealth right from even when I was earning $33 monthly and up till today. Now, a lot of people think that you need a large sum of money to invest. Well, while that is true, because of course, higher investment equals higher returns, but in this video, I'm going to be revealing how you can start investing immediately. I'm going to be showing you in this video the platform I use, simplifying it down, the right way to go about it, and the potential returns for each of these investment classes that you may find. So instead of you saving that extra $5 in a piggy bank, you should invest it. So let's go. Oh, wait. Rewind. So why not smash the like button before we proceed? I'm ready when you're ready. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And basically on this channel, what I do is I go out there, I do the research, and I come back to show you practical, proven, actual ways by which you can earn and make money online. Now, this investment platform is actually a dollar investment platform. Now, the reason why we are using a dollar investment platform is that dollar is more like a universal exchange currency. And of course, we all know that at the moment, there are quite some currencies that are losing to the dollar. For example, at the moment of making the video, due to the devaluation of the naira currency, we have a dollar equating to about 1,700 naira, right? So if you invest $10 today at, let's say, 1,700 naira-ish, and let's say a dollar goes up to 1,850 naira, aside from what you'll be making for investing that $10, like making your actual interest, you would also be profiting from the naira margin, and this is where the goodie lies. Now, the beautiful thing about this site is that it has an app, and this app is actually available on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. So investment is literally easy, accessible, and you can do it on the go. Now, all you want to do is to click start investing. And once you click start investing, it's going to take you to a page where you are going to fill in your basic details so that you can be able to create an account and sign in and start investing. So once you log in, this is how the overview of the site looks. And once you log in, you would need to go and verify your identity by clicking on more. And of course, going to verify your identity, you can see my identification is already verified. And of course, this is important for, of course, the KYC of the platform, and also to know that you're actually a real person and to secure, your account even better. Another thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and set up your cards. Now you can set up your cards, you can add your debit or your credit card, and you also add your bank balance. Now, this debit or credit card is one of the ways you can actually fund your investment through, which is why it's essential to link it. Then your bank account is where you will be able to withdraw your money to, of course, which is super important. Now, once you have done all that, the next thing you want to do is to go to the home button, because this is where the goodie is right now. Now, in the home page or the overview of the page, here you have your total balance. You can see this small icon here. You can click it to unhide it or click it to hide it. In the home button, you have your total balance, and this your total balance is made up of your investing balance and of course your wallet balance. The investing balance is how much money you have put so far in all your investments. So before you start investing, you would want to fund your wallet balance. You want to click on open wallet. And once you click on that, you will see an icon that states for you to fund your wallet. Now, this is not a sponsored video, right? But this is a legitimate investing platform which I've been using for over 3 years. You want to click on the fund wallet icon here. And once you click on this fund wallet, you are going to see currency you would like to invest in. And you can see there's a Nigerian naira and there's US dollar. So if you are in Nigeria, this is a big thing that you can leverage on. If you have a US dollar account, you can literally invest from the US dollar. So if you are using the naira to invest, you can click on it and you can see the exchange rate buying at 1,700 and selling at this. So you want to click accept and continue. Now you can either fund your wallet through bank transfer or with your debit and credit card, which we have already added when we set up our account. I usually prefer to do the transfer because it's actually cheaper. Now, the name of this platform is Rise, and don't worry, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description so you can easily go there, access it, download it, and start. Now, once you have funded your wallet, your balance is going to reflect here. And mind you, the good thing about it, you can invest as low amount as you have. You can start with $1, you can start with $10, you can start with $50, $100, whatever amount you have to start with. However, the higher investment, the higher the returns. So once you have put in your money and it reflects in your wallet balance, you can choose to leave it there, because if you leave your wallet balance, it is able to give you an interest of 8% per annum. But no, we're not leaving it there, because we are here to learn to invest, right? So the next thing you want to do is you want to go to plans. And under plans, when you scroll down, you will see investment classes. You can see some of my plans here: real estate, stocks, and the likes. So when you go to the plans, you scroll down a little and you're going to see asset classes. And under these asset classes, we have the 3 of them. Now, starting from the lowest, we start with fixed income. Now, for fixed income, it literally has low risk. It is a low risk level asset class, and it's typically for people who want to just preserve their money value in an appreciating currency. So instead of you keeping your naira in your naira savings account where it's going to devalue, you can choose to invest it in fixed income where you are preserving the value in an appreciating currency like the dollar. Now, the interest for this is actually 10% per annum guaranteed. Your capital is 100% guaranteed and your return is 100% guaranteed. So you can choose to get started. You can choose to turn on and auto invest. Maybe you receive your salary on the 25th. You can say, by 25th, I want so amount to be deducted and put in my fixed income asset class. And this way, you do not have to always go there and put in your investment. It just does that on its own. The next investment class is real estate. Now, maybe you do not have enough money to invest in physical lands and properties, maybe buying lands to resell later, or buying lands to build properties and rent them out. Maybe you don't have enough money to do that. This investment class allows you to do that with any amount you have. This is actually a medium risk investment class, meaning that although your capital is guaranteed, there is no exact guaranteed percentage returns. You can see it is 12 to 15% per annum. Now, these are historical performances because this 12 to 15 is more like an estimated percentage. In 2020, they had over 15%. In 2021, over 15%. 2022, you can see it came down to 13%. 2023 is like 14%. So 2024, there is no guaranteed amount, but you are definitely going to get cool returns, and which you have been assured that it's 12 to 15%. Now, the very third asset class here, the third investment class is stocks. Now, you must have been hearing of stocks, buying stocks, bonds, shares, and the likes, all those big grammar. Now, I'm going to be simplifying it to you here. Basically, stock is the capital raised by a company through issuance of shares. Let's take, for example, Apple. The Apple company is not 100% owned by a person. And this is because they have sold percentage of the shares to several individuals, and thereby raising whatever capital is required for the company to sustain itself. Now, though you cannot go to Apple and say you need shares worth $150, like it's crazy. But with stock investment class, you are able to invest in a predicted portfolio of 20 to 30 high growth US stocks with long-term performance, where you can get a reasonable annual returns. However, these returns could be more or could be less. And this is why the stocks is actually a high risk investment asset, because your returns are solely market dependent and how these companies will do a profit. Typically, huge risk investment, your capital is not guaranteed and your returns are not guaranteed. However, this platform has enabled it such that you have something at the end of the day, and you can see that they have a historical returns of 14%. You can see in 2019, they had 27.5% in returns. In 2020, they had 40.77% in returns. This is literally higher than what you get anyway. So stocks can either make you overnight rich, and of course, you know the rest. However, what I would suggest to you, which is what I do, I'll suggest you split your funds into the 3 investment classes and tilting more to the assets in line with your risk level. So if you are not a risk taker at all, you may want to do more of your investments in the fixed income. If you can manage your risk level to an extent, you may want to put more of your investment in the real estate investment class. And if you have a high taste for risk, you may want to put more in the stocks. Now, mind you, like I said earlier, the longer term your investment is, the more opportunities for returns. Let's say you started an investment with stocks in early 2019. If you had withdrawn it at the end of 2019, you would have missed out on these returns that were there in 2020. So the longer your investment, the less you lose, and the more opportunities for returns that you stand to gain. Another beautiful thing about this platform is that it gives you the opportunity to invest towards certain goals. Let's say building wealth, starting a business, planning a wedding, traveling, etc. You can even save for school. So you want to go to the goals, and if you are investing towards a certain goal, this is better for you because that way you know when you have reached your target goal. However, the risk level for this is dependent on the duration on this investment goals, as your investment goes into mixed assets, and the longer the goal is, the higher the risk and the potential higher your returns are, and vice versa. And now once you've completed the duration of your investment, either for your goals or for your investment class, let's say you set it to invest for 1 year. Once you have completed the duration of your investment, your money plus your returns go straight to your wallet balance. And from your wallet balance, you are either able to withdraw directly to your bank account, which you have already set up, like we said initially. You can withdraw directly to your bank account or reinvest as you may choose. Now check the link below. Like I said, I dropped the link below to the site to this where you can easily access it. Check the link below if you'd like to start investing with Rise. And also, you can check out my new ebook on 27 ways by which you can make money online with skills you never knew you had. Like, I literally put a lot of time and value in that book. And I am literally, since I am launching it with this video, I'm giving it at a discount to the first 5%. So check the link in the description and go grab your discount. Now, if you found this video super helpful and super easy to understand, do want to smash that like button. Do want to leave a subscribe. Do want to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to smash that notification bell icon, because even though you subscribe, you won't know when I drop a new video except you smash the notification bell icon. So smash that bell icon, leave a comment where you are watching from, and if you have started out with this particular investment platform. I remain TFI, and I hope to show you ways on how to make money online. So stay tuned for my next video, and bye.